In an ultramodern city's digital think tank, a diverse group of AI developers gather around a transparent screen filled with code and diagrams. The air is heavy with urgency. Recent headlines flash warnings about algorithmic bias and data breaches. Khalid, the senior developer, stands resolute before his team. "We are racing ahead, but at what cost?" he asks. The screen displays cases: predictive policing harming minorities, hiring bots shutting out qualified candidates, and unchecked data tracking. Silence settles as the dilemma emerges. AI is advancing, but its moral bearings seem lost. That night, Khalid wanders the quiet city alleys deep in thought, reflecting on his upbringing and study of Islamic ethics. He recalls the words of his old teacher: "Justice is not merely the absence of oppression, but the establishment of fairness." Inspiration strikes as Khalid realizes the enduring relevance of Islamic principles: ADL, justice; ISIN, excellence; and Rama, compassion, to AI design. He envisions a framework where these values shape every decision, not just technical requirements, but the very soul of the system. Back at the think tank, Khalid presents his vision. Imagine AI trained as much on equity as it is on data. ADL demands that every system we build must audit its own fairness, rejecting discrimination wherever it lurks. When an algorithm sorts through applications, it must justify its choices, exposed to scrutiny and transparency. The team, skeptical but intrigued, weigh the approach. Javed, a young programmer, raises a practical question: algorithms are built by people. How do we ensure justice is encoded? Khalid responds: "We start by diversifying our data sources, subject our models to relentless testing against bias, and institute robust mechanisms for public oversight. ADL is a process, not a checkbox." The conversation shifts to ISIN. Khalid presses them: "Excellence means not settling for good enough. Robust, reliable systems protect against failure and misuse." But ISIN pushes us further. It is the pursuit of societal benefit. He sketches a neural net not solely optimized for financial gain, but for maximizing public good. More accurate diagnostics for rural clinics, predictive models for disaster prevention, educational bots for underserved populations. A heated debate erupts. Some worry about profitability. Khalid introduces Masla, the pursuit of the greater good. True benefit is measured by how many lives we improve, how much dignity we preserve. Javed nods in agreement, seeing the shift from commercial imperative to human-centered evaluation. For Rama, Khalid describes applications in healthcare and warfare. Compassion means our diagnostic AI never replaces the physician, but supports them, never invasive, always respectful of privacy and autonomy. In conflict zones, Rama forbids us from delegating the final decision of life and death to machines. Some choices require human mercy. The team maps ways to embed Rama into AI rules, such as defaulting to human review for high-risk decisions and prioritizing harm reduction in coded instructions. From the corner, an operations officer, Bashir, interjects: "Who is responsible when things go wrong?" Khalid replies: "Accountability, hizb, is essential. Every AI action must be traceable. Developers, operators, and users must own the outcomes, reviewed regularly in ethical audits. Responsibility cannot be outsourced." Months pass. The think tank releases their new AI platform, built on principles of ADL, ISIN, Rama, and Masla. A public forum tests the system. Citizens from all walks voice concerns. Every issue is addressed transparently. Experts review the chain of decisions, finding systems open, fair, and compassionate. The project earns international praise, not only for technical innovation, but for establishing a workable moral compass for AI. Khalid sits beneath the city's glowing skyline. "We are custodians, not conquerors," he whispers. The story closes with a promise. As humanity marches into a future shaped by intelligent machines, ancient wisdom will walk beside innovation, guiding technology to serve justice, excellence, and compassion above all else.